Hey guys, welcome to Rich's Mowers and Blowers. Psh. Hey, today we're taking a look at this snapper. I went and rescued this out of some weeds, and let's take a look at it. So what do we got? What are we looking at? It is a snapper commercial. Not sure of the age and the year on this, but it looks like it's a little vintage. So don't know too much about these. Looks like this is pull straight up instead of out the back like these new ones here. And look at that. Don't mind that. You didn't see that. So what else we got going on? Got a lot of dirt going on here. Like I said, we pulled this out of some weeds. What is this? A wire? Where's that go? Well, I guess you guys didn't see that. Put that dirt back on top of that. Yeah. Where'd that go? Hide that under there. There we go. You didn't see that. What do we got here? We got a racing number, number 5. They must have used this for a racing lawnmower. What else we got? Let's check the fluids in it. Ooh, looks like it has some nice clean oil in it. Looks like it has nice clean oil. That is like, for this cap being so old, the stick right here, that stick looks like it's brand new. Look at it shine. Got that pretty oil. Somebody changed oil on it some point before they put it in the weeds. It is a Briggs Stratton 4 horsepower. Says quiet, easy start. Self-propelled. Changing some gears on it. Well, we'll fix that later. So I think I see a model number under there, under that tag. I don't know. Look at that dirt and oil preserve that tag pretty good. It is model number 214XIP. XIP. So we're on what, Windows 11? So that was XP back then. What else we got going on in here? Let's see what we got for gas. Does have some fluids in it. Sparkulator. Looks a little rusty. It's tight. It's cable. Well, I guess that's not moving. You didn't see that. Well, we'll fix that later. Come back to that. So other than that, that's about it. Does it have a blade on it? Let's see what we got going on under here. Oh yeah, a blade. There's a belt on it. Got all that going. Let's see if we can crank her over. See. Well, that come off a little too easy. That scares me. What in crying nation's going on in there? What? I think that that's disintegrating right in my fingers. Don't touch that. Don't touch that. So, well, that whole thing moves there. I think that's supposed to be like that. I don't see any choke moving back and forth. Nothing like that. Let's put a little go-go juice in it. See if it'll fire up. See what happens. Well, I'll be... There we go. Wow. I guess that'll be all right. Try it again. Put some more in there. Sounded like it was gonna fire over. How much we need in there? Put a half a can in there. It's all right. Something going on. Put another half a can in there now. Gotta go buy me some more. Well, I'll be... All right, we'll just tuck that back there. Hey guys, if you're interested in more information about this, watching me go through it and fixing it, hey, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, get notified when this comes out on video. We'll see you next time. Rich's Mowers and Blowers. Psh.